data fetching. That's all. I'm just kidding. We are gonna talk about something what in my opinion is a little bit more exciting, which is fetching data from a third party. I always feel like that's kind of fun. So we finally get to get rid of this initial story stuff. So this hard-coded stuff right here, we're gonna get rid of that, and we're gonna get the same, not the same exact data, but the same type of data from a third party. So this data will now come from, let me put it, let me see, right here towards the top, from this URL. This is the URL. We're gonna hit it up. We're gonna make a GET request, I believe. I think it's a GET request, and we're gonna get the data from there. So you can probably already imagine what parts we need to change. So the part that we're gonna change is the following. When we, right here, get async stories, what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace that. Actually, let me make sure that's correct. Use effect, endpoint, persistent data. Maybe that's not it. Where are we actually fetching the data? Oh, right here. That's it. Right here. We're gonna change this, so we're not gonna call on get async stories any longer. Instead, we're gonna do a fetch request to the API endpoint, followed by the word react. So that's going to be, so that's good, same as this, =react. So we're going to make a call to that endpoint. We're going to convert the data that comes into JSON format, and then we're going to continue with everything else. The only other thing that we got to change is right here, instead of result data stories, it's going to be result hits, because now it depends on what that third party, how that third party returns the results, in what format, and not in what format, but in with what fields, what object, whatever object they're using. So they're using hits apparently. Okay, so am I missing something? I think that's it. I don't think we need an API key. And then, we need to get rid of initial stories, wherever we're calling on initial stories. Where are we doing that? Oh, we need to get rid of this function right here. Get async stories. We don't need this anymore. Okay, I think that's it. Whoa, that was easy. And see, I always get fascinated by hitting up third-party APIs. Cool. That's it. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this series on Twitter, Instagram. Well, maybe not Instagram. LinkedIn would be good. Twitter or LinkedIn. All right, guys. Till next time. Take care.